video we are discussing about multi-guard authentication in Laravel 8. For any application we have different numbers of users that have roles and permissions which differentiate the users. And here we are using the multiple guard authentication allowing the users and admin to log in separately. And also we are creating the separate table for admin and the users. In this video we are discussing how we can be login as an admin as well as the blogger. First we login as an admin. We are giving the URL as login/admin. It gets redirect to the admin login page and we are entering the email address and the password. It just moved to the admin dashboard page. Once we log out, it's just back to the welcome page. The next condition is what happens if you log in as a blogger. We are writing the separate URL for that login blogger. It just moved to the blogger login page and enter the blogger email address and the password. Redirect to the blogger dashboard page. And this is the concept of the multiple guard authentication. We are using the separate table and the separate login for that. I just show your code and show the overview of the code. I hope you just install the project. And the first step is, after the install the project, first step it is to update the env file. Add the database credential, DB database name, username and the password. And the next step is to create the table as well as the migration table and also the model for admin and the blogger. So that PHP Artisan make model with migration for admin. Once you created that, we can see that there is an admin table is created. We can update the admin field as your own. This field is same as the user table, but you can add. And we are just creating the migration table for blogger also. We can also update the table in blogger table also. And then the model is created. When you intend to use a model for authentication and you plan to not use a default user guard, it is very important to specify the guard. So on the admin model we just give it the guard as the admin, which the admin is the admin table, and the blogger model we just define as guard as blogger, and the fillable is name, email and password. And the notifiable is used for the reset password functions. And the next step is to define the guards. The Laravel guards define how users are authenticated. For each request, the Laravel comes with some guards for authentication, but we can also create our own. So that open the config.auth.php and define the guards as admin and the blogger. And on the providers, we are defined as admins and blogger. The providers tell the Laravel what to use for authentication or validation when we try to use the guard. Next step is we just creating the model controller, and all the inbuilt authentication is done. We just created the auth folder and inside there is a login folder. We just modify the login controller. There is a set of middleware to restrict the access to this controller, and it is very important to define all types of guards in this controller. And we have a set of methods to return the login page. For an admin, we will use the same page for all the user types and only change the URL we send it. On the login function, we just validate the email and the password, and the login method which checks that the right credentials are separate. Then we attempt to log a user in with the admin guard. After the successful login, which just redirect to the intended admin page, and which is same as the blogger. We just validate the message and check the auth guard, and it is a correct successful credential, and it's just moved to the intended root blogger. And the resource page, we just creating a separate dashboard for admin blogger also. And on the layouts.auth.php, we just creating the header and the footer in this, and we just extends to the admin and the blogger also. This is the blade for creating this is the view of the user. And the next step we are considering that modify how our user are redirected if authenticated. It is very important to modify how user are redirected when they are authenticated. The Laravel by default methods get redirect to home. So there is we get an error by this method. So we have to modify the redirection. In the MO, the middleware receives the auth guard as a parameter, and this middleware is triggered and when we try to visit any page of the authentication. And it's a bit annoying that what happens if it is redirected. When the user is trying to visit a blogger page, it gets redirected to blogger login. As the same also, if the user is to login as a login admin, it gets to move to the login admin page. And after that completion, we just run the function like PHP artisan function, PHP artisan serve, and we just get this home page, welcome page, and we just type the URL as login as admin, or login as blogger. This is all about the multi-guard authentication. That's about. Thank you.